Hello everyone, it's Sanzu and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a tutorial that's inspired by spring and has a Sakura theme. And I know we're all stuck at home right now, but it doesn't mean that we shouldn't play with our makeup and have fun. That's why I wanted to do this really easy tutorial so that maybe it can inspire you as well, and I really hope you like it. And before we begin our makeup, let's hear a word from our sponsor, Audible. So Audible is a place where you can download and listen to audiobooks, and they have all the genres you can think of. Whether you're trying to sleep and want some background noise, want to read but have to multitask, or just bored out of your mind in this quarantine, they got you. And as for my personal recommendation, as a beginner witch, I'm really interested in Joy Cunningham's Wicca Starter Kit, which is a highly recommended starter book by the witch community. I'm not necessarily Wiccan, but I do want to study it for my own journey. Plus, it's a book where I can't get my hands on in Turkey, but can listen to it online. So you can go to www.audible.com/anzujaamu or text anzujaamu to 500 to start listening with an exclusive 30-day free trial, one free audiobook, and unlimited Audible originals for completely free. The links are in the description, and thanks a lot to Audible for sponsoring this video. I'm starting with some skincare because these days I'm really lazy and there is no way that I'm gonna do any skincare unless I put on makeup. So I'm starting with Nuuly's peeling pads. And next I'm gonna moisturize my skin, and for that I'm going for the Snail Repair Cream from Maison. I especially love this cream because it's watery and doesn't leave this sticky feeling after you put it on. And for the eyes, I'm going for the same series again, Snail Repair Eye Cream from Maison. For my foundation, I'm going for Revolution's foundation stick in F3. This is kind of lighter than my skin, but the main problem is actually that I have a pink undertone and it has a yellow undertone. But still, after I put on a tinted powder and the blush, it kind of sits well on my face, so I've been using it for a long time actually. And for the concealer, I'm using Revolution's Conceal and Hydrate Concealer in C2. And I will be starting the eyes with NYX's Holographic Eye Tint. This is actually the first time that I've used it in this video, and I have to say I'm not a big fan. I think NYX's older eye tints were better and thicker, but still, I ended up trying it. I also added some glitter before it dried, but it didn't hold on, so you won't really be seeing it at the end. Now I'm continuing with this Slime Crime palette, and I'm gonna go with this RSVP shade. I'll go from the top part of the eyelid, kind of from the crease, and I'll connect it with the bottom part of the eye. And I'll slowly build up the intensity, as you can see. And of course, one thing that I can't give up, the eyeliner and maybe the lashes. Yeah, I wouldn't give up my lashes too. So I'm just gonna follow my eye shape and draw a natural wing, but of course it's kind of on the thicker side. And now we're gonna have some fun with a white eyeliner. I'm just gonna start drawing small dots and hearts on top of the pink eyeshadow I used on the top lid. Honestly, I just did this part really randomly and it shows. Now, right before the false eyelashes, I'm gonna apply some mascara to my eyelashes so they won't peek through from there. This time I'm gonna do a different kind of preparation for the lower false lashes as well. I'm just gonna take this shade called Frosting, and I'm gonna start from the bottom part of my eye and bring down the eyeshadow to my cheeks. So when we put on lower lashes, we won't have any trouble with getting eyeshadow there. Also, I kinda decided that I didn't like these lashes, so I sneakily changed them later. And let's pretend we didn't see that. And I'm just gonna get some powder to get rid of the excess blush. And next I continued by adding some blush to my nose and chin. And as for the sakura flowers, I used stickers, I cheated, and you can too. It's gonna make everything so much easier if you can't draw on your face. It's not very visible here, but I took the white eyeliner again and drew some small dots in between the sakura flowers to kind of connect them together. For the lips, I wanted to try something different, so I took this yellow eyeshadow from this palette and I tried to apply it on the top of my lip. This is gonna kind of make you look like you don't have a top lip at first, until you blend it with a hot pink like this shade. So this time I kind of ditched the lipsticks and just went for the eyeshadows to do the lip makeup. For the highlighter, I used Wet n Wild's Zodiac highlighter, and this is a drugstore brand, a really cheap brand, yet this highlighter was really good. Actually, I would say one of my favorites. And as usual, I applied it to my nose, to my chin, and on top of the lips. And for the last step, I got this Diamond Breeze lip gloss in gold from Golden Rose and just went over the whole lip makeup to give this nice gloss effect. And with this, our makeup is done. I really hope you enjoyed it. I hope it can inspire you to experiment with your makeup in this quarantine as well. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on the post notifications, and like this video. I guess this is all. Then, I'll see you in my next video. Stay safe and bye bye!